Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to stream games on Steam. So let's get started. Open up your Steam and now select a game that you want to stream. So let me just quickly play this game because I want to stream this game. So we click play, we wait for it to open up. This should not take too long. Alright, so after the game has started, let me just skip to this. Alright. Now, press Shift Tab to open up your Steam overlay, and what you need to do is go to Settings. Now, make sure that everything with your voice is set up. You can, of course, test it. Well, you don't really have to set this up, but maybe you are not talking through Discord and you want to make sure that everybody watching your stream on Steam is hearing you through Steam. But if you are talking through Discord and you only want to stream for your friends, you don't really have to play with these settings. So go to broadcast, make sure that this is enabled, and now you can play with this too. Anyone can watch, friends can watch, and friends can request to watch, or just disable it, I guess. But then what's the point of you watching this video? So after you have made sure that everything in your settings is fine, even your video dimensions, which they are not, I guess. So let me fix that. Now you can click on this. It opens up a new window, and now you just need to wait a few seconds. Okay, so my broadcast has just turned on. Let me just see it. You can click here on watch, and now you're right here watching your broadcast. Now you have title. After you enter your title, oh yeah, I can see my game. After you enter your title, you just need to update the broadcast, and everybody should see your title. You can also chat. It's pretty much like a stream, I guess. And if you want to stop broadcasting, oh yeah, you see your viewers right here, by the way. Right now it's only me. But if you want to stop broadcasting, just press this, stop broadcast, and broadcast stopped. It says it right here. You can close this, and just notice that there is no more this dot up here that says live, and that means that, well, you just stopped your broadcast. Exit game, and that's pretty much it. That's how you stream on Steam. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, leave a like. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below in the comment section. And if you want more tutorials just like this, subscribe. Anyhow guys, have a nice day.